The district headquarters should be located at Jammu-Kudima, which is a very fast developing area in Timor. Whatever may happen at heaven, I still feel that our decision was right, our decision was good for the people of Dimapur. So the younger generation should know that they will be facing a world which is quite different from now. Institution will be there, all the facilities will be there, and DC's office is only to administer.
Hello viewers, Ajuman aine thagadu yete ekta important personality ke log kurla aina se. Taidu former governor of Odisha, former chief minister of Nagaland, former governor of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa, aro taidu jasal 2020 de India la third highest civilian award Padma Bhushan award paina ase. Tala kam public affairs te tala kam bhal hwa garne. To itu tu alak nohoy kunbi ido alak manu nohoy taidu ame anga sir SC Jamir ase. To Ajuman ite khota ko ulai ha du sir logo. Welcome sir.
Thank you.
To Ajuman ite khota ko ulai ha du mohan bishi din bai du dikhe ase to DC court shift korle Jammu-Kudima te Dimapur ba Jammu-Kudima te shift korle la jhamela bishi hoine ase aro aji du mane strike bi kora ase Dimapur te. And there is mixed response. Kila mane chumula aro sovima opor ito tahandu bon nukro gune kholi ni chabi dikhe ase mohan aro niche fane do pura bon ase khali Nagarjuna Kuda village Kuda C area bra tate bra he olop solop dukan khan kholi na ase tahan tate volunteers khan bi rakhina ase to itulo opor ame sir lo khota koi lobo. Like sir, regarding the shifting of the DC office, you had recently said that it would be good if the office is shifted sooner than later. Do you still stick to your stand?
Before I engage myself with your question, as an elderly person and also a citizen of Nagaland, I want to clarify certain things very clear, and I want to express my views honestly and candidly. Nagaland belongs to the people of Nagaland. The government of Nagaland was formed by the elected members of the Naga people. The main objective, the main goal of any government is to do the very best for the people. Before I explain why it is shifting up headquarters, it's not the capital, it's the headquarters of one district. Dimapur was only a small circle before formation of the state of Nagaland. Then it was upgraded to extra assistant commissioners level, then STO level. When I was chief minister, I thought that Dimapur being the gateway to India and also vast area for development in future, and it will really become an economic hub. And therefore, the cabinet in my time decided to make Dimapur as a district. Even at that time, there were lots of agitations against me. When I went to the football ground to speak on Republic Day, even Kohima local people, they even spitted on me because of this creation of Dimapur district. Whatever may happen at heaven, I still feel that our decision was right, our decision was good for the people of Dimapur. That's one. Because when government take decisions, they take into account various aspects relating to that major decision. And therefore, when, again during my time, we have decided that the headquarters of Dimapur district should be shifted to Jammu-Kudima. The reason being, the present location of DC headquarters office is in the fringe of Assam-Nagaland border. And there is hardly any scope for development in future. Not only that, in the long run, it will be in the remotest part of Dimapur because expansion will be towards new land, towards Jammu area, towards Beren area, and towards Kohima area. So that was one reason why I thought that the district headquarters should be located at Jammu, which is a very developing, fast developing area in Dimapur. That's one. Secondly, Dimapur is the name of Kosarius. And since Nagaland is an indigenous Naga state, we want to have at least the name of the district headquarters should be in Naga name. Because Britishers have first settled in Samaguding. Now we call it Samagudima. And therefore it will be quite befitting to have our headquarters located at a historical place chosen by the British imperialist. That's why we said that it should be located in Jammu. It was, I am now. So there was no this tribal color in choosing Jammu as such. But unfortunately today, people are talking about tribalism on this issue. People are talking about the distance. I think the present location is also in the remote area. But here, when we shifted to this Jammu area, it will be nearer for Beren district. It should be nearer from this Newland this subdivision. It will be nearer from Kohima also. It will be nearer to the airport also. And this is developing this township, and therefore better facilities, better road communications. All this will be here. That's why I said that why people should quarrel about the headquarters, whether it is located at Jammu or somewhere else. This is the headquarters of Dimapur. We are not going to change the name of the district. No, we are not going to change anything. I would only feel that the citizens of Dimapur, especially younger generation, today they should talk about how expeditiously develop the infrastructure of Dimapur. Because it's a commercial town and it will be an economic hub in future. And therefore, instead of wasting their time in agitating for shifting up an already constructed this headquarters, I think they should devote their time for development of Dimapur town. Secondly, I think Naga should feel that whether it is located at Jammu or elsewhere, it belongs to the citizens of Dimapur. What advantage is there and what disadvantage is there in locating at one place or other? This is purely to govern, to administer the area, the district. In the past, we marched up to Kohima. We have never complained that the capital should not be at the Kohima, because our district was Kohima district. So there was no complaint in going to Kohima. Here we are locating within Dimapur. And why should we complain that we should not have the headquarters here or there? Once government decide to construct that headquarters at a certain place, invest so much, I think people should leave it to the government to, I think, administer the area without any disturbance whatsoever. The old one we can utilize for some other institution, and therefore all these buildings will be utilized not by outsiders, but by ourselves only. And therefore, I don't see any reason why people should agitate for shifting up a headquarters from one place to another. It's not from one district to another, it's one place to another. You see, even Delhi, they are shifting Parliament House to new one. Why? Because old one cannot now meet the requirement of the present. And therefore, shifting of headquarters from one place to another, it doesn't deprive of any rights, facilities, opportunities to any group of people. And therefore, I would appeal to all citizens of Dimapur that they should, I think, now change their mindset from district mind to, I think, broader mind. What is headquarters after all? It doesn't belong to any individual. It belongs to the people. It belongs to everybody. And so why should you waste time in agitating for this district headquarters? My humble request to you younger generation is, I think you should have broader mind, broader outlook, and a longer vision than the older generation. That is my opinion.
So, sir, you were once a student. Even me, I was a student once. So, like, we have been in touch with many student bodies and even the student community. So they were saying like the one who will be mostly affected will be students, because we have more than 80% of the colleges and schools are based in Dimapur itself. So do you have anything to say on that, sir?
In which way it is connected with these students?
Actually, I had talked with some student leaders yesterday. Then they were saying like they will not compromise if the student community is affected.
Nowadays, even administration is carried on online. People sitting here, they are executing their office in Delhi, in Bombay, in Singapore, in New York. So the younger generation should know that they will be facing a world which is quite different from now. So why should they think about affecting them? In which way they will be affected? Because the institution will be there, all the facilities will be there, and this office is only to administer. They are not going to send teachers here and there. Because all the institutions will function independently as they are functioning now. What benefit are they getting from the president that is headquarters? Nothing. So I don't understand why the younger generation who are supposed to know the future better than us should talk on that line. I don't quite understand. I think we should not be, our mindset should not be confined only to a small thing like district headquarters, like this tribalism, like groupism. I think this is not the way. The younger generation should have broader mind. They should think about that they are citizens of the country and the world. With that mindset only Nagaland can grow. And I'm very sad to hear that even those people who are the hopes of tomorrow should be confined only to the small matters. They should think better, bigger, and wider.
So one more question, sir. Do you feel that those opposing the shifting of this new DC office, shifting of this office, is just politically motivated, or some other angles is there?
I feel that it's all emotional activities.
Not political.
Not political.
Emotional.
Emotional.
So in what way?
Yeah, it's all emotional.
In what way? Can you elaborate it?
Well, somebody said that it's not good. So they say everything is, it's not good. Somebody said long distance, everything is saying that a long distance. So that except that there is no reason also.
So, sir, as a veteran, I wanted to ask you, what can be the best way to solve this issue, according to you?
let the government decide. They have already taken decision. So the only thing the government should implement, that's all. And people should not blame this and that. It's unnecessary blaming. It was made for them by the government with their own money. Why should you blame others also?
So what about the aspiration of the people who are opposing about?
Since I'm not opposing, I don't know their aspirations.
Thank you so much, sir,
Yeah,
for
thank
giving
you.
us your precious time.
Yeah.
আৰু ইংগা খবৰ খান আৰু জানি থাকিব কাৰণে আপোনাৰ চাই থাকিবি নাগালেণ্ড টিভি মই আৰাম মাচিমি উইথ কেমেৰা পাৰ্চন বেনাং সুনক ফৰ NL TV